Okay, what's up YouTube? So I'm doing a rear fog mod on my 2015 BMW 535. So I have this European light switch. I bought it at I think it's FCP Euro. So things you'll need are panel remover. So I have this Craftsman 1/4 drive wrench, and I think this one's 20. This is T15 Torx. So to start, locate where your light switch is. Just use the panel remover on this side and this side, and just pull it out like so. I already took it out earlier, so. Alright, so once you've taken the panel out, just pull this plug like so, and then use the T15 Torx to take out this four screws. I don't know if you can see it, so right there, 4 of them. Okay, so if you want to upgrade and turn on your rear fog, I'm not sure you can see it, but that's the part number you'll need, and this is how it looks when you're done installing it. This one's for your front fog light, this one's for your rear fog. Alright, so I'm done installing this European rear fog light switch mod. So I'm just gonna test out all. Okay, so turn the car on. See if this one works. Oh, let me turn up the car. Alright. See the dim lights turning on. See the fog light. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, now let's check out the rear fog. Ready? Off, on, off, on. There you go, guys. That's the rear fog mod on a 2015 BMW 5 Series.